Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of the complete ethical hacking DVWA Lab walkthrough. This will be the part 2 of the SQL injection. So in the previous video we have seen that the database name was DVWA and database version was 10.1.26 MariaDB. Okay, in this video we are going to dive into the database and fetch all the details from the database, possibly the username and password. Okay, so for further getting details, what we need to do here, we have to select a query which will retrieve the tables from the database DVWA. Okay, so what we need to do here, our query will be union select table name from information schema dot tables. Copy this query and paste it over here. Here you can see we have fetched the tables from the database DVWA. Here you can see the users and guestbook tables seems to be informative for us, so we will dive into the table named users. Okay, so we will be diving into the table users. From the users table we will get the columns. For that our query will be union select now it will be column name instead of table name. Copy this command, paste it over here. So it seems there is an error. Another error showing here. It seems to be mistaken over here. Union select one comma column name. Here you can see it is typo from information schema dot column, so table name equals to users. Copy this, now paste it over here. Okay, here we go. The query will be equals user Here is the user and password column seems to be interested. So what? Now we will fetch the user column details and password column details. So for that our query would be union select user and password from users table. That is enough. Here you can see all the details we have got here. Here the password, you can see admin and password is this hash. This is a MD5 hash. You can visit online and Google it, MD5 to text, and paste the string over there, and you will get the actual password. Okay, so tata, bye bye, see you in the next video of the SQL injection, blind SQL injection section. Okay, till then keep calm, and if you don't subscribe to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends and like the video as well.